पहला दिन है नवरात्रि का, और इस नवरात्रि में हम लोग माता भगवती काली को प्रसन्न करने के लिए उनके 1 करोड़ मंत्रों का जप करेंगे और माँ को प्रसन्न करेंगे। कोई भी आयोजन करने के मूल में भावना और लक्ष्य क्या होती है, क्या होना चाहिए। तो इस काली कुटियाचन में आपकी भावना क्या है, आपका लक्ष्य क्या है, ये तो आपको समझना चाहिए। पहले गुरु लोग ये आयोजन क्यों कराते हैं, वो गुरु को भी समझना चाहिए। लेकिन गुरुओं से जो शक्तियाँ करवाती हैं उन्हें तो पता ही होता है। तो पहले हम 1 बाय 1 समझ लें। कोई आयोजन व्यक्ति करता है, करवाया जाता है। अब काली माँ है, नवरात्रि के दिन है, दुर्गा माँ है, नव दुर्गा है, 10 महाविद्या हैं, शीतला है, कृत्या है, उग्र कृत्या है, अन्नपूर्णा है, लक्ष्मी है, बहुत शक्तियाँ हैं। शक्तियों को गिनती संभव नहीं है, असंख्य शक्तियाँ हैं। और जिस क्षण जिस प्रकार की शक्ति की आवश्यकता होती है उस समय वैसी शक्ति प्रकट हो जाती है। भविष्य में और कोई आवश्यकता पड़ेगी तो नया अवतार प्रकट हो जाएगा। ये नहीं कभी मानना चाहिए कि बस अवतार जितने हो गए उतने हो गए। जिस युग में जिस प्रकार के, जिस व्यक्ति को जिस प्रकार की, दोनों बातें समझा रहा हूँ, जिस युग में जिस प्रकार की और जिस व्यक्ति को जिस प्रकार की शक्ति की आवश्यकता होती है उसके अंदर शक्तियाँ प्रकट होती है। इस कोट्याचन में हम लोग कई पॉइंट्स लेकर के बैठे हैं, 1 बाय 1 समझने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो सर्वप्रथम तो आप एक बात समझ लें कि जिस भी किसी देवता की हम तपस्या करते हैं वो प्रकट होता है। प्रकट होने के बाद वरदान उसको देना ही पड़ता है। आप जो भी मांगे वो देगा। अच्छा मांग ले तो, बुरा मांग ले तो प्रकट तो करेंगे हम लोग, वरदान तो देगी। अब आपके ऊपर है क्या मांग लेते हैं। एक उदाहरण मैंने दिया आपको प्रहलाद का। प्रहलाद के सामने भगवान क्यों प्रकट हो गए। Why God appeared in front of Prahlad? Because Prahlad had full faith in Vishnu. Full faith. And you know Prahlad was well tortured. Since childhood he was always being tortured. What kind of torture? Don't recite the name of God. Don't do that. Be like demons the way we are. Because he was from the demon dynasty, the son of demons. But living in the demons, being with the demons, in the lineage of demons, son of the demon, he was totally away. His mind, his thought, his actions, his deeds, everything was very entirely different. And when his father tried to finish him, his father applied lot of techniques you all know in the story. I am not going into that. But Prahlad never stopped. This is the point which we must understand. Prahlad never stopped in spite of all the tortures being done against him and on him. He never stopped. And what we people do? Immediately we stop. If somebody comes and says, hey, don't go to temple, don't do all this sadhana, they are all useless, you will immediately stop. And Prahlad did not stop. Suppose you are coming to the temple, you are putting your sum of wishes in front of the Divine Mother, that Mother, please accomplish my this wish, fulfill my this desire. And you are not getting the proper result, what you are expecting. You are not getting proper result. There are more people who are not getting proper result. So one will meet the other, a conspiracy will develop. No, nothing happens, and all will be out. But Prahlad did not stop. He never went out of the ring, always in the ring. And he never left his faith. Even though he was put in fire to be burnt live, what kind of punishment was given to him? Prahlad. Put him into fire, let him burn. Live burning, ekdam alive, burn. But he did not stop praying. And when Hiranyakashipu got really tired, all techniques failed, then he said, okay, I will cut your head from my sword. Let your God come to help you. And God appeared. Till that, God did not appear. How much torture? Second story. We all had just gone to the story of Bhagavat, Draupadi, the sari being pulled away. Krishna not appearing. When Krishna appeared, you all know very well. When she lost all hope from the relatives and on the material plane, with everybody, when she really lost all hope, then she cried, Krishna, please save. Then only Krishna appeared. And he did not appear. He just increased the sari. That's all. That was faith. भगवान अवश्य प्रकट होते हैं, लेकिन प्रकट होने के पहले परीक्षा लेते हैं. अभी तो आप लोगों को परीक्षा नहीं ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि अभी तो आप उनके यहाँ केजी में भी आपका एडमिशन नहीं है. अभी तो आप आया राम गया राम हो. कमिंग राम, गोइंग राम. यू आर ऑल राम. So don't worry. Now coming back to Divine Mother. First lesson, let us understand what Shakti is. Without energy, nothing can be done. In the universe, you cannot accomplish any work. Even you cannot blink your eyes if there is no energy. Even for blinking eyes also you need energy. And you know, when people are very weak, they have not got food for 2-3 days, then they cannot open their eyes. It goes. Then you say, open the eyes. They cannot open. No energy. They cannot utter single word. No energy. So everything, if you want to perform any action, it needs energy. And Lord Shiva says, I cannot do anything without energy. And energy form Divine Mother says, I cannot do anything without Shiva. Shiva and Shakti, they are always together with each other. Without one other is not possible, no existence. If there is some base only, then energy may appear, then it can do something. So out of that all Shakti format, one book is very popular. The name of the book is Durga Sapta Sati. You all know, you have read book sometimes or not read, but try to read, try to understand. In that book, the Divine Mother says, Matta Prakriti Purushatmaka. Matta means from me. Prakriti means complete nature. Whatever is visible or not visible, but created, that's all called nature. Matta, all nature is from me. And only from me, the Purus, the ultimate God, he exists. Matta Prakriti Purushatmaka. And further he says, Yam kamai tam ugram tam brahma tam vishnu tam rudram karomi. If I desire for somebody, then I make that person Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, etc. What he is saying? If I desire, Yam kamai, for a particular person when I desire, then tam Brahma, tam Vishnu, tam Rudram karomi. I make those personalities Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra. So do you want to become like Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra or not? आपको ब्रह्मा विष्णु रुद्र के जैसा बनना है कि नहीं बनना है? बोलिए, बनना है तो उतनी तपस्या करनी पड़ेगी। हाउ मच पेनेस हर तपस्या ब्रह्मा डिड, विष्णु डिड, शिवा इज continuously going on doing tapasya, tapasya, tapasya. Continuously they are evolving. Vishnu doing tapasya in ocean, Shiva doing tapasya in mountain Himalaya, Kailash, even in Ganges, everywhere Shiva doing tapasya, 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 Vishnu doing tapasya, Brahma doing tapasya. And you people are not at all doing any tapasya, just gossiping and wasting time, still thinking that, Guruji, I want to be like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, or even higher than those. How is it possible? So, today is first day. Divine Mother in energy form, as Durga is saying, Yam Kamay, if I desire. So, pray in such a way that she desires for you. आप ऐसी तपस्या करें, ऐसी साधना करें कि आपको चाहने लगे कि मैं इसको विष्णु बना दूं आपको, और अगर आपको विष्णु बना देगी तो लक्ष्मी आपको छोड़ के जाने वाली नहीं है। समझ गए कि नहीं? गॉट द पॉइंट और नॉट? सो प्रे इन दैट वे, पुट ऑल व्हाट एवर यू हैव विद यू, ऑल योर माइंड, सोल, हार्ट, ब्रेथ, everything you just give to Divine Mother for 9 days. But you are not at all giving anything to Mother. Even when you are sitting in front of me, looking here and there, and you cannot give. When you cannot focus on a guru, on a talk, when you cannot focus for many, many hours together on the idol, on the picture, then what do you expect from me? For getting darshan of a particular deity, the deity needs your permanent attention, only focused on one point, staring at any object, totally eyes fixed, body posture fixed, all fixed, all transfixed. Krim Krim Kali, Krim Krim Swaha, 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 Krim. Mother's picture or idol, whatever, or yantra, it is in front of you, and you are not at all moving. Krim Krim Kali, Krim Krim Swaha, 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 Krim Krim Kali. Anything is happening just in close of you, you are not aware. If somebody is calling, you are not aware. Your mobile is ringing, you are not aware. Then only you can do something. But what I am watching, WhatsApp is on, Facebook is on, everything is on, we are also continuously on, looking here and there, who is coming, who is going. This is not the way of sadhana. You cannot become Dhruv Prahlad. But you may be, provided try to practice this thing for 9 days with me. बोलिए बगला माई की, काली माता की जय. So during Navratri, all the divine form, mother's form of energy form appears on the earth. All the forms, not only Durga, शक्ति के जितने भी स्वरूप हैं, सब के सब स्वरूप इस समय ब्रह्मांड में धरती पर प्रकट होकर के विचरण करते हैं. All the divine formats appear during this period for 9 days on the earth and they move. They touch every deity. They go to every house. They enter into everybody's heart. The mother enters into your house, into you also. Just watches everything inside you. Your action, your behavior, your habits, many things. She is observing. And you have to get 100% mark that you are the best child to Divine Mother. आपको 100 में से 100 नंबर लेके आना है माता के परीक्षा में, क्योंकि वो आपके मन में, हृदय में सर्वत्र घूम के देख रही है कि मेरा जो संतान है ये क्या बना है, क्या बनना चाह रहा है और क्या बना रहा है खुद को. समझे कि नहीं? तो चलिए अब हम आपको, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू समथिंग अबाउट काली. In that Durga Saptati episode, and you know, when Durga appeared, I have been telling many times, when Durga appeared, how Durga appeared. The appearance of Durga was not from one person. Try to understand. Dhruv, Prahlad or any deity or any saint they prayed, one individual deity appeared because of individual prayer. एक व्यक्ति की तपस्या से एक देवता प्रकट हुआ, दुर्गा एक व्यक्ति की तपस्या से प्रकट नहीं हुई. So you know the story, I am not going to talk about that. Many times I have explained about Durga. Complete recording in English has been done about Durga Saptati appearance. All objects have been well explained. Essence of that Durga Saptati is explained in English at our America Center. Things are available here also. If you have interest, try to get that, try to understand that. So now I am explaining out of that Durga part, one part. In first character, Durga Saptati tells about Mahakali, Yog Nidra. That I will talk tomorrow. But today I am just telling, when the battle goes on, in the third chapter, third section, in the third section there are Sum and Nisum. When she goes with the battle with them, then there was a demon called Raktbij. His name was Raktbij. You all know Raktbij? Rakt means blood, Bij means seed. It means every drop of the blood is working as a seed. The way you put any seed in the ground, plant appears, or a human format appears. So seed contains all the powers of the original tree or whatever. So that Raktbij, any drop goes on there, one appears exactly like him, so much powerful. And when you read that book, tomorrow I will make you all read that. Different deities appear. That this war is going on only with the female deities. No male deity is involved in any of Durga Saptati war. दुर्गा सप्तती के युद्ध में कोई भी पुरुष देवता इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुआ है. जहाँ इन्वॉल्व क्यों लेडीज इन्वॉल्व हुई हैं, शक्तियाँ. कोई उसमें ब्रह्मा विष्णु हनुमान कोई नहीं प्रकट हुआ है. एक शक्ति पीछे से रहती थी भैरव जी की, क्योंकि देवी बिना भैरव के नहीं चलती है. विदाउट भैरव द डिवाइन मदर नेवर मूव्स. But he was not actually apparent on the scene from the background. So in that, when one Maheshwari, one format of Navdurga, when she is hitting that demon with a Trishul trident, blood is coming out of the body. So every drop going on there, one appearing, one appearing, one appearing. Some else deity appears, she hits by Gada, mace, again blood comes out from the body, again thousands and thousands are appearing. So they all got disturbed, the deities. Hey, what to do? It is going on appearing and nothing is possible to destroy them. How to destroy? Then there Kali was invoked. उस समय लोगों ने डिवाइन काली माता को याद किया. समझे कि नहीं? Then Kali Ma appears. And she said, what is the problem? Then they explained, this is the problem. How to make all the blood out without getting new one born? ऐसा क्या करें कि नया पैदा नहीं हो, इसका रक्त खत्म हो जाए? Simple talk. What we should do, that nothing can be recreated and blood should be exhausted totally. Kali said, okay, I will drink all his blood. Okay? Then all the divine mothers, different formats, they started hitting him, and any blood coming out of his body, Kali expanded her body to very vast level and drank all the blood. When the blood was all over, nothing new appeared. This is called Raktbij Prakaran. She killed Raktbij in the form of Mother Kali. Okay? So now coming to understand what this Raktbij really indicates. ये Raktbij क्या है? From here, our this 9 days episode will work one by one. So during this Kali Sadhana, we will try to understand, first of all, whatever habits we have acquired, all have to be All negative habits have to be destroyed. आपने जो कुछ भी गलत आदतें पाल ली हैं आज तक, उन सबको हमको नष्ट कर देना है. Understand or not? Whatever negative things you have acquired in your life, and everything comes from blood only, through hereditary characters. That's why when you go to a doctor, doctor will say, hey, in your family somebody was diabetic. You are suffering from diabetic. Somebody was diabetic or not, a family, what that relation has got here? How that diabetes from your parent or grandparent came to you? What is the genetic effect? What are these genes? This all is being represented under the single word called Rakta Bij. Because your parents, wherever, their blood took something, and only through the blood the human body takes form. Blood is from nothing else. So, if there are negative things from the past, or from parent, from both sides of parents, father or mother, then we have to finish that. We have to destroy that. Complete rectification process of our blood, dialysis process should be done. And this can be done only through Divine Mother in form of Kali. Try to understand Kali. Kali is not very simple thing. The Kali is supposed to be Adya, in the beginning, the first one who appears in your life when you are in the mother's womb. You can't see anything, totally dark. You can't see anything. When you come out of mother's womb, only then you can see something. So when you look at Kali, she seems to be all black. But actually she is not like that. She is very beautiful. Whatever is being represented by photo, that is not the reality. Because if she appears in that form, you will run away. Immediately you will run away. And if Durga comes through her line, then you will run away. And Chinmasta cuts like this, then you will be fainted. But Prahlad could not be fainted even when we looked at Narasimha Bhagwan. So don't get afraid. Things represent something else by photo, but they really mean something else. She is mother. Just to protect you, she can acquire any form. Just to help you. Vishnu had to go to that form of Papa Narasimha to help Prahlad. Because the boon was there. Otherwise Vishnu would have come in a very pleasing format. So, complete dialysis of your blood. Till now, whatever you have acquired from many lives, God knows how many parents you have got in the past till now. How much genes are traveling, how much impacts are traveling. Okay? So, all negative things acquired by you can be finished by Kali Sadhana. And Kali, I told you, she is called Adya. Adya means just in the beginning one. So we are beginning our sadhana from today. Kali makes you gradually energetic. In the childhood, when you are entering in mother's womb, that is your beginning. Your life starts from where? The moment you travel to your mother's womb, your life starts, this life, from there. From there, Kali starts working because Adya, in the beginning. And those who want to do siddhis in any format of any sadhana, without Kali, no sadhana can be done siddha. You can never acquire siddhis in any of the sadhana without Kali. I am telling any of the sadhana. Maybe Lakshmi, maybe Vishnu, maybe Brahma, any. Without Kali, nothing can be done. And Kali is associated with Mahakal, Mahakali and Mahakal. There are prayers with Mahakal, Mahakali. Different sadhanas are for Mahakali. Kali is being worshipped in 3 different formats. Vam Marg, Dakshin Marg, Mishra Marg and many more things. Actually in Tantra there are 6 paths of worship. So Kali is worshipped everywhere. Dakshina Kali also, Mishra Kali also. Mishra means mixed one. And Vam Kali also. Dakshina Kali means right hand orientation. Vam means left. When you look at this picture, the bigger one is same. It is Dakshina Kali. This format is with Ramkrishna Paramahansa in Calcutta. You look at other pictures with Kali, she has one ball of blood in one hand. But these pictures are not having any ball in her hand. Look very clearly. Go and watch. No blood ball. It is right hand, Dakshina. In this Kali worship, you don't need to sacrifice animals, nothing. No alcohol. This pure sattvic form. Okay? So don't get confused. This is called Dakshina Kali. The original mantra for Dakshina Kali is as followed by Ramkrishna Paramahansa. Cream, cream, cream. Hreem, hreem, hreem. Hum, hum, hum. Dakshini Kalike. Cream, cream, cream. Hreem, hreem, hreem. Hum, hum, hum. Swaha. This is the original format followed by Ramkrishna Paramahansa. But we are not going with that form. That's very big mantra. You have to go with cream, cream, Kali, cream, cream, Swaha. Very simple and sweet format for you. Cream, cream, Kali, cream, cream, Swaha. Cream, cream, Kali, cream, cream, Swaha. Now coming back to what Divine Mother indicated before deciding to come here for Kotyarchan. She said, see, 3 things I want to do. First, I want to change the habits. What thing? Change the आदत बदलनी है सबकी. Second thing, to remove the poverty. Because poverty is the most powerful enemy. गरीबी दरिद्रता से बड़ा कोई शत्रु ब्रह्मांड में नहीं. और वो खाली हो, ए भाई तू मेरा काम कर दे, मैं तुझे अब साड़ी चढ़ाऊंगी. तो साड़ी चढ़ाओ नहीं चढ़ाओ, मदर साड़ी कौन सी कमी लगी है, वो तो खुद ही साड़ी है. हैबिट्स, सीड्स. Habits are nothing but only seeds inside you, developing from time to time. And I am talking only negative habits, not good habits. Otherwise you will think, oh, Kali will even finish the good seeds also. It's not like that. Demonic seeds, bad seeds. Okay? Negative seeds. So she will finish all. Second, removal of property. And third thing, what she wants to see? Perfect human format in the divine mode. You should be exactly like the higher level Devata. I am telling higher level Devata. Not like in that you are going, any lady you saw and you get away rifted. Because in the does sometimes, and he is always cursed also. What she expects? She is only with Mahakal. Right? Shiva's ultimate form. No sex god Kamdev can hurt Shiva. Shiva, when he looks, Kamdev is burned. And you are with Kali, this sex impulse or male-female things cannot affect you. You should be in such a strong way, like Hanuman. What is there in a lady or in a gent? Why you are so much charmed, hypnotized looking at her or at him? Nothing. You don't have control on your senses. You don't have control on your mind. You don't have control on your wisdom or God-guided wisdom, the intellect which decides that, see, gentlemen, this is wrong, don't do this. What is there in a wine or cigarette or bad habits? Why you are addicted to anything? Why you can't break those habits? Unless you break all the habits, you cannot be devoted to Kali, and unless you go to Kali, you can never reach to Baglamukhi. To reach Baglamukhi is something very, very, very high, because that is at number 8. And to reach at Kamala is even high. So try to understand this Mahavidya. Mahavidyas are not ordinary things that you just open a book, just like Satan Katha story, or Santoshi Mata story and Satan story. These are not story things. These are the magnificent powers of the universe. They change entire life, entire personality of a human being. And when equipped with all these powers, when you move in the world, wherever you keep your feet, the place becomes heaven. Move on any part, sit in anybody's house, the house must become like a heaven. It should change. If you be with me, you must change, and definitely everybody changes. So 3 things what Divine Mother and our Siddhasram Gurus have planned. First, destroy all negative things. Second thing, poverty complete removal. Or third thing, perfect character, divine way, चरित्र निर्माण. समझे कि नहीं? Character building. So these 3 things Kali has decided this time. So we should be happy with her. But the thing is, now our trial starts. अब हम लोगों की परीक्षा शुरू होती है. My Baba Bhutnath ji said, if there is Swakripa, then there is all Kripa. I have been telling you many times out of 4 Kripa, Swakripa, अपने आप पर अपनी कृपा. You have to do your own grace on yourself. Then Kali Mata will ultimately give all her whatever she has to you. But what is the essential factor? You have to do grace on yourself. आपको अपने ऊपर अपनी कृपा करनी है. समझे कि नहीं? उस कृपा को कर लीजिए. डू दैट ग्रेस ऑन योर सेल्फ. व्हाट इज दैट? फर्स्ट, ट्राई टू चेंज हैबिट. थिंक ऑफ कैरेक्टर. जहाँ राम तय काम नहीं, जहाँ काम नहीं राम. जहाँ सेक्सुअल थाट्स हमारा राम नहीं रहते. राम वाज मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम. समझा कि नहीं? कृष्ण, इवन दो यू से दैट ही हैज सो मेनी वाइफ्स, बट कृष्ण वाज सब कॉल्ड ब्रह्मचारी. सो थिंक लाइक दैट वे एंड कंप्लीट रिमूवल ऑफ पॉवर्टी. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ पॉवर्टीज आर देयर? कितनी प्रकार की गरीबी है जानते हैं? एक गरीबी तो मन की गरीबी होती है. मन से मरे, मन से गरीब है. आप व्हेन यू आर मेंटली पुअर एंड कन्विंस पुअर, हार्ट एंड मेंटल पुअर. एक बोलते हैं ना कि पत्थर जैसा मान लिया कि नहीं हम गरीब हैं, गरीबी रहेंगे, गरीबी में मर जाएंगे. इसको बोलते हैं हार्डन. द वे देयर आर हार्डन क्रिमिनल्स, हार्डन सेंट्स, इन द सेम वे देयर इज हार्डन पॉवर्टी मेंटली इक्विप्ड विद यू. Try to break that mentality. Think of expansion. Try to be with Kali, Hanuman, Bhairav, Guru. When these forces work with you, on you, along with you, everything can be broken. There is nothing impossible for a devotee. What is the test of a devotee? Faith should never move. You may face trials. It's not that when you are a devotee, then daily you will get the rose flowers on you and nectar and amrit and apsaras sitting in heaven and enjoying music. Trials come to Shiva also, trials come to Vishnu also, trials came to Ram also, trials came to Krishna, Radha. 1 week you all went learning only trials. And you know, Kali was working with Krishna since beginning in the Adya. Before taking birth for Krishna, how many forces were there? And what was character of Krishna? People think that Krishna was with the gopis in some other way. It's wrong. Once he left that place, he never went back. Right? The distance is not much. He could have gone, he could have met them, called them somewhere at Jamuna Kinare. We may think nonsense, but the divine personalities, incarnations are not like that. So 3 things I told you. And today, out of 9 Durgas, the first deity is प्रथम शैलपुत्री. आज शैलपुत्री देवी का 9 दुर्गा में प्रकटीकरण है और 10 महाविद्या में आज काली का प्रकटीकरण है. और काली है तो काली ही ललिता त्रिपुर सुंदरी को उत्पन्न करती है. ये भी बता देता हूँ. काली सुमुखी काली है. ग्रेजुअली यू विल नो अबाउट काली. आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन वट एवर टाइम आई गेट. काली इज काली. और इन माई लाइफ 3 deities, divine mother, 3 formats are very powerful. 1 Kali, 1 Dhumavati, 1 Bagla. In my root, Dhumavati and Kali are there. Then Bagla stands. Bagla cannot stand without these. So smile, because when Kali is to protect you everywhere, then you should never worry. All right? Here I am stopping my provision, and don't waste single minute, single second. Don't waste. Wear proper dress for a sadhak, red or yellow. When you sit for sadhana, sit without watching here and there. Don't see anything. Only kali, 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 kali. Even though when you go home, only on the way also kali, 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 sleeping kali, 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 walking kali, kali, bathing kali, 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 in the kitchen drinking tea kali, 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 kali. Kali, 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 whatever you can do. Krim kali, kim swa, krim kali, kim swa, nahi to only kali, 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 jai, kali, jai, kali, jai, ma, kali, jai, ma. Whatever you can say. Kali, 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 kali. So it churn out everything. You know when the butter comes from the milk, then that butter has to be put on fire. Then ghee appears. We have to go up to ghee, not only up to milk. If raw milk you are keeping, after a few hours it will be all finished, gone. Sadhana is something high. You have to pull out your butter from inside. That is the real Samudra Manthan called churning of ocean. And from that Divine Mother will appear. All forms Lakshmi will appear ultimately to you with nectar. Okay? This is all for today. Bagla Mai ki Jai.